Let us see how to make some matrix operations in Excel. See, there are so many places in chemical engineering where you come across, matrix operations. Say, for example, system of linear equations you have to solve by means of, matrix operation, wherein you have something like, A as a matrix and some constants, and that will be equal to some. These are the x are the unknown and b is the constant. So if you want to find out the value of x, you have to find inverse of a multiplied by b, that will give you the value of x. So this can be done with the help of matrix operation. So for example, we have got some equations, we have got some system of three unknown, wherein we have got this is as x1, these are the coefficient of x1, x2, x3. So this is, let's say for example, x1, coefficient of x1, x2, and so this x1 plus 12x2 plus 25x3, 2x1 plus 23x2 plus 43x3. Likewise, you have got three equations and three unknown. In order to find out the and say for example the constants are 5, 8 and 10, and you want to find out, so this is a, say for example this is your a and this is your b, so this is your b, and you want to find out x, right? So in order to find out that x, you have to first find out the inverse of a. Now how do you do that in Excel? You have to first select the range of cell, matrix size would be 3 by 3, and then select the function, and then see, since the most recently used is inverse only, so you take M inverse, so press OK and take the array. Array is the matrix which we would like to use, and then if you press OK directly, you'll get only one answer. See, that is something which you have to always keep in mind, that when you are working with Excel and when you are making matrix operation, you have to always use Control Shift and Enter together. So to hit Control Shift and Enter, and then you'll get all the then you'll get 3 by 3 matrix. So you'll again do that. Go to this M inverse, select the array, and rather than pressing this OK, you have to hit Control Shift and Enter, and what you get is this matrix. So this is the inverse of it, and so now suppose we want to find out the value of x, we have to multiply this inverse of a with this b. So how do we do that? So we know that we get this, and there is something called as MMULT. Simultaneously, let me show you other, like M determine will give you the determinants of matrix. So likewise, there are so many matrix operation which you can explore, but right now we are worrying, we would like to find the value of x by multiplying this inverse with this b. So let's take MMULT, and returns the matrix product of two arrays, an array with the same number of rows as array 1 and column as array 2. So suppose like we have one column and we have this, so let's say we take array 1 multiplied by this. Now will we get the answer? Okay. So I have to again press Control Shift and Enter, Control Shift and Enter, and I got the answer. So this is the answer which I got for this set of linear equations. So this is x1, this is x2 and x3. So this is how to find out inverse, this is how to find out multiplication. But as you can see that when you are working with an array, you have to use Control Shift and Enter, and you can see that it is being, now if I put enter, it will show me the error. So I can't put that as an enter. I have to, if I take this, I'll have to put Control Shift and Enter whenever I work with that array, right? So this is how you can make use of matrix operations in Excel.